Hey, it's your girl Markey coming to you with a simple broiled fish with pepper and onions tutorial. Make sure to subscribe and let's get right into it. Put your desired amount. These are just the seasoning I use. It's totally optional. You can use whatever seasons you like. Now in some cases I do my broiling a little bit different. I like to score my aluminum foil and I place the aluminum foil on the rack as shown. And now we have our finished product. Look at how beautiful that is. Let's plate some potatoes and then put that fish on a bed of taters and we are done. Everything's plated and ready to eat. Don't forget to hit that notification bell and subscribe. Until the next tutorial, thank you for cooking with me. Bye.